as the question says, a kid of mass m stands at the edge of the platform of radius r, which can be freely rotated about its axis. The moment of inertia of the platform is I. The system is at rest when a friend throws a ball of mass m and the kid catches it. If the velocity of the ball is v horizontally along the tangent caught by the kid, find the angular speed of the platform after the event. Now what's happening is there is a platform like this which is rotating about its axis. A kid is standing over here of mass m and a ball is thrown horizontally with a velocity v of mass m. Now let us take a system consisting of this ball, the kid and the platform that has been taken. So as we know that there is no external torque applied, so we can say that the torque external equals to 0. There may be some horizontal force to throw the ball, but since there is no torque, that is something which can rotate. V is horizontal, it has no tendency to rotate the ball. So that is why there is no external torque actually. If there is no external torque, then we can say that the angular momentum of the system is going to be constant. Now, if we take the initial angular momentum, then this system, this block, the kid and the platform are at rest. So their angular momentum is 0, but the ball is thrown with the velocity v. So its angular momentum with respect to the central axis is mvr, where r is the radius, and let us take the final angular momentum, which will be when the ball is caught by the kid. So it will become I omega, that is L angular momentum of the platform plus angular momentum of the kid plus the angular momentum of the ball, right? So we can write it as mvr equals to I plus m r square whole into omega, where omega is now the angular speed which we need to find out. So the omega comes out to be mvr upon 1 plus m r square.